nobody calls me Leah, and I'm here today with a quick video because this just arrived. I have Happy Mail. If you've seen one of my last videos, I'll throw up a card here. If you haven't, you would know that I was thinking of getting a new traveler's notebook. In that video, I show the B-Sides and Rarities collection from Traveler's Company, and I thought about using all those inserts to make a travel journal. I want to document all my past travels because I haven't really. So I planned on getting a new traveler's notebook, actually a new cover to accommodate all those inserts. So since then, I've decided, and here it is. So I want to unbox it in a video just so we can see. And I really haven't unboxed a traveler's notebook in a while from Traveler's Company. My last one was my passport. This one from 1111 Handmade, but not from Traveler's Company. My last traveler's notebook from them was from 7 years ago. This one. So it's been a while. Okay, so let's unbox this. I'll zoom you in and we'll get started. Okay, so here it is. This is from the shop Everything Calligraphy. I had a hard time finding the blue traveler's notebook. That's the one I got. And this shop was the only one I could find that had the blue one in the regular size. So I got this free bookmark. It's so cute. And then let's do this. So this is pretty standard. I don't think the package changed much from my last traveler's notebook 7 years ago. It still looks the same. It's packaged the same. I'm gonna keep this to stick in one of my journals. For the travelers who have a free spirit. And this card too. I really like the box. It's super cute. Let me get those out of the way. And they always come with this elastic that you can use with the notebook. Okay. So this is standard also. They have this protective pouch to house the TN. Oh wow, okay, that's lovely. Blue was actually one of my choices before I settled on black when I got my first yen years ago. So now I'm really glad that I also got the blue. It's gorgeous. So let's open it. Wow, it smells so good. I love that color. I love the color blue. It's one of my favorite colors. And there, it came with an insert. It's a standard blank one. Nice. And there you can see the elastic. It comes with just one. And then this is the bookmark, but okay, it's just attached to the bottom. Let me check. Yeah, there, found it. So this is the bookmark where you can hang charms like this. And yeah, this is beautiful. I'm so glad I decided on this. And I don't know if you can see. Let me check the camera. I'm not sure if you can see that, but that's the Traveler's Notebook mark there. Traveler's Company, Japan, made in Thailand. So since my black one is the super old one, it still says Midori, made in Thailand. So this is an original Midori from way back. So the markings have changed since then. And then what else is inside? So there's this other elastic. That's a nice color. I think, is that gold? Very cool. It works with the blue. And then their note, which I like. And then let's put these here. And there's the box. So you can take out this elastic and use it in the TN. You can use it to attach the other inserts that you want to put in there. So yeah. Okay. Let's just fix that. So that's it. There's the box, the elastic, the TN of course, and the insert inside, and the pouch. I cannot wait to put B-sides and rarities in here and set up my travel journal. I'm thinking of doing that this weekend, so stay tuned for that. That's it for now. Bye!